We're on. Good morning from Windsor Meats, Upper Mill. Tell you about this little beauty today. Little Chevrolet heifer we've had hanging for about a month. We sold the other end of this at the weekend for T-bone steak, so we're going to bone it out this morning for sirloin steak. A little bit of fillet steak left in it. That will go straight in to the beef burgers that Colin makes. £1/4 steak patties, 4 ounce, handmade, hand pressed. Beautiful. You can't make them quickly enough, this lad. They go out so fast. So we're just going down the back here. Turn it over. Slide down the bones. There we go. So we'll trim this up now, square it off, take this piece of back strap out. No good for anybody, ain't this? I'll be chewing on this for 2 months. I will tell you now, supermarkets leave this in, we don't. Turn it round. Look at this. Look at that. Marbling perfection. And just watch how soft this is, ladies and gentlemen. Finger straight through it. That's before we cook it. Sirloin steak, straight into the pâtés. £1/4 pâtés. That's your little lesson for this morning. Come down, get these sirloin steaks while we've still got them. Because we've got meat to please you. And we're pleased to meet you.